Welcome to our farm, kids. This is the Selmi greenhouse and pumpkin farm, and we would like to invite you today, this beautiful day today. Beautiful sunshine, beautiful weather. Let's go take a visit and see all of our farm animals and see what we got this year. We'll walk this way. Here we have some little pigs. They're just a few weeks old. They've just been weaned off of their mother, so they're just a very young age right now, and the children just love these things. They love to eat, and they love to sleep all afternoon in the hot sun. We got 3 little pigs. Look over here and we'll see some of our prize-winning chickens over here. You can see that they don't look like ordinary chickens. They're show chickens. They're nice and fuzzy. They got blue beaks. And they're really fun to look at and play with.
They're called silkies.
Okay, in this pen over here we have our turkeys. We have 2 turkeys. I want to introduce you to Christmas and Thanksgiving. But they like to bite. They like to, if you put your finger there, they'll try to get your finger because they think it's a worm. So when you come over, do not put your fingers here like I'm doing because they'll bite it. We have some little rabbits in here. They're always fun to have around and play with. See the little wiggly nose? Put him back in there. And we have a black and white female. She's going to have babies in about 4 weeks. She's pregnant. So she'll have the babies right in here, and all the children will be able to see the baby rabbits when they arrive. Over here we have our big rooster. He's the king of the roost right here. He cock-a-doodle-doos every morning when I get here to work. And we have all the ducklings inside there. They like to stay inside where it's shady during the sunny days. And we have a pond over there for them to swim in if they want to take a little swim. Over here we've got our friendly goats. The goats just like to poke their heads out when people come around because they know they're going to get fed, which I don't have any food. See how they're looking for it?
Everybody watch.
Hello, goats. The three Billy Goat Gruff. You right?
And it kind of tickles. They're really gentle with the kids, and they love to eat. They'll just eat just about anything. As you can see, they'll eat the whole cup if you give it to them. Okay, over here we have a pen of sheep. We've got 4 sheep in here, and they're really friendly. When you have a cup of food, they all gather because they know what's here. They love to eat the grain out of your hands. And they're really gentle too, just like the goats are. You're going to use sanitizer to sanitize your hands when you're finished. We have another pen of goats over here. So all you have to do is shake the cup.
Me too. Me too.
They will come over to the fence and put their heads through the holes here and enjoy a snack all day long. Over here, we have a Holstein cow. This is a milk-producing cow. It's a very young calf. When it gets older, it'll be able to produce milk. It's a Holstein calf. She's a little shy. Over here, come on, Waldo. Hi, baby. Come on, Waldo. Waldo's been around for quite a few years now. He's the mascot of the farm animal zoo here. When he brays, you can hear him all over the farm.
Yeah.
But I don't know if he's
He's
gonna
not gonna do
or
it
not.
today.
He's kind of shy today, looks like. He's sitting in the corner. Come on.
Farmer Frank, Farmer Frank, where did you get your pants?
These? Oh yeah, these are my hee-haw pants. I've had these for at least 35 years. We were traveling south and we stopped at Nashville, Tennessee, and they had a hee-haw store there back when hee-haw was very popular on TV. So I bought me a pair, and now they've been a legacy here at the farm.
Look at the babies. Little babies.